guys to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another video. Hopefully you guys are good. And today, as I mentioned before in my previous video, that I'm gonna show you guys my the studio setup and LED stripe lights that I installed already. And as you can see in the back, I have one here and one on the other side on the front of the screen. So let me show you which company is it. If you wanna buy those, as you can see, it's Larky. You can see here, and you can see front box. It's not sponsored at all, and I'm just showing you guys because I like them and they are pretty good. These are like 16 feet each box, and the good thing about these lights is that you can control them via mobile app, which is very convenient instead of having a remote light. And you know, if you lose it, you lose it, and you're never gonna change the color of those lights. So with the app, it's always convenient. Wherever you are, just keep them plugged in, and you can change the color or variation of those lights. And those are RGB as well. So without any delay, let me show you guys how it's actually look, all of it, and from the front as well. So let me camera for you. So this is the back side of my studio, so as you can see, and this is the front side of my studio. So you can see here, I put those on the front wall and installed some soundproofing foam as well on the wall. Hopefully they are working, but even if they don't work, at least they add a lot of look in my studio room. So let me know guys, what do you guys think about this? And one thing I want to mention guys, this table, that the top, I built it by myself. I get it from Home Depot. I had a 2 L-shaped table frame in the bottom. This table was a glass table, and somebody was selling on the Facebook, and they don't have glass. So what I did is I bought those 2 frames, put them together, measure everything, and get that tabletop. As you can see, it's pretty strong tabletop and smooth. Get it from Home Depot, and now I have, look at this, how much space I have. It's a lot of space. Even there like 2-3 people can sit easily on this table. So this is my studio setup guys. Let me know, what do you guys think? And the treadmill is also here. Put an extra chair there right now. So, and this is the back table where I'm gonna do like unboxing and stuff. I don't see there is a lot of space front of that. I don't know where I'm gonna put the camera and I'm gonna use it, but yeah, it still adds a lot of look in this room. So do comment below guys, what do you think of this setup? Is it good, not? Let me know what else I should do next. So this is it. So this is it for guys, for this video. Hopefully you like my studio setup. I'll see you guys definitely in the next video. I have some stuff to do with my car. I have a racing stripe that I ordered on Amazon, and I'm just waiting for a good day, good sunny day to install those, because in previous days the snow was going on and the rain. So hopefully tomorrow, if it's clean day, I will be probably installing those and I will make the video. So stay tuned guys and stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.